Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the world of lean tools and how they can be effectively utilized for waste reduction in various industries. Let's dive right in. Lean methodology has become a cornerstone for organizations striving for efficiency and waste reduction. Today, we'll focus on some key lean tools that are instrumental in identifying and eliminating waste in processes. Let's get started. 5S methodology. In addition to fostering a clean and organized workplace, the 5S methodology also plays a pivotal role in promoting a culture of continuous improvement within an organization. The first step, sort, involves decluttering and removing unnecessary items from the workspace. This process encourages employees to critically evaluate their work environment, eliminating items that do not contribute to the immediate task at hand. Beyond the physical benefits of decluttering, the sort phase encourages a mindset shift towards prioritization and efficiency, setting the stage for subsequent improvements. The second step, set in order, goes beyond mere organization by establishing designated locations for tools, equipment, and materials. This deliberate arrangement ensures that everything has its place, reducing the likelihood of errors, delays, and inefficiencies. By systematically arranging workspaces, teams can minimize the time spent searching for tools or materials, leading to increased productivity and a more streamlined workflow. Shine, the third step, introduces a focus on cleanliness and regular maintenance. A clean and well-maintained workspace not only enhances the visual appeal but also contributes to the longevity of equipment and machinery. This step fosters a sense of pride and responsibility among employees, as they actively engage in maintaining a workspace that is conducive to both productivity and well-being. Standardize. The fourth step involves creating and implementing standardized processes and procedures. This step ensures consistency in how tasks are performed, making it easier for team members to understand and follow established protocols. Standardization not only reduces the likelihood of errors but also facilitates cross-training, enabling teams to be more adaptable and resilient to changes in personnel or work requirements. The final step, sustain, focuses on embedding the 5S principles into the organizational culture. Sustaining the improvements achieved through 5S requires ongoing commitment, regular audits, and continuous employee engagement. By integrating 5S into the daily routines and practices, organizations can create a lasting impact on workplace efficiency and effectiveness. In conclusion, the 5S methodology transcends beyond the immediate benefits of workspace organization. It serves as a catalyst for a broader cultural transformation, instilling principles of efficiency, accountability, and continuous improvement within the organizational fabric. As teams embrace the 5S principles, they not only create a more organized and visually appealing workspace but also lay the foundation for sustained success and excellence in their operations. Value Stream Mapping. Value Stream Mapping, VSM, is a powerful lean tool that provides organizations with a holistic view of their end-to-end processes, from the inception of a product or service to its ultimate delivery to the customer. Through the creation of detailed visual maps, VSM allows businesses to dissect every step involved in their value stream, identifying both value-added and non-value-added activities. One of the key advantages of value stream mapping is its ability to uncover inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and redundancies within a process. When we applied VSM in our organization, it became a revelatory experience, shedding light on aspects of our production process that were previously overlooked. The visual representation of the entire value stream highlighted where value was being added and where unnecessary waste was occurring. By scrutinizing the value stream map, we were able to discern areas where resources were underutilized or overburdened, leading to bottlenecks that hindered the smooth flow of work. Through this newfound clarity, we could strategically implement changes to eliminate these bottlenecks and redistribute resources effectively. This not only optimized the flow of work but also resulted in a considerable reduction in lead times. Moreover, value stream mapping allowed us to differentiate between activities that directly contributed to the value perceived by the customer and those that did not. Non-value-added activities, often a source of waste, were systematically addressed and either minimized or eliminated entirely. This not only streamlined our processes but also had a direct impact on cost reduction and resource optimization. The insights gained from value stream mapping empowered our team to make informed decisions about process improvements. we were able to implement changes that not only enhanced operational efficiency but also positively impacted overall productivity. The iterative nature of VSM encouraged a culture of continuous improvement within our organization, fostering a mindset that consistently seeks ways to enhance value delivery and eliminate waste throughout the entire value stream. As a result, we not only improved our internal processes but also enhanced customer satisfaction by delivering products and services more swiftly and with higher quality. Value stream mapping, therefore, stands as a cornerstone in our lean journey, enabling us to navigate the complexities of our operations with precision and purpose. Kanban System. The Kanban System, our third essential lean tool, operates as a visual management method designed to empower organizations in controlling and optimizing their workflow. Rooted in Japanese manufacturing principles, Kanban employs a visual board adorned with cards representing individual tasks or work items. This intuitive approach enables teams to seamlessly monitor progress, enhance communication, and swiftly identify opportunities for improvement. At the core of Kanban lies the concept of a pull system, a departure from traditional push systems. In a pull system, work is only introduced into the workflow when there is capacity, ensuring that teams are not burdened with excessive tasks and preventing overproduction. This strategic approach not only minimizes waste but also optimizes the overall flow of work, promoting a more responsive and adaptable environment. The visual representation of tasks on a Kanban board provides a real-time snapshot of the workflow. It vividly illustrates the current status of each task, from initiation to completion, allowing team members and stakeholders to easily identify bottlenecks, delays, or areas of congestion. This transparency fosters collaboration and facilitates quick decision-making, as everyone involved gains a shared understanding of the work progress and potential challenges. Kanban's adaptability is one of its standout features. Teams can effortlessly adjust priorities, allocate resources, and respond to changing circumstances based on the visual cues present on the board. This flexibility ensures that the workflow aligns with current demands and priorities, making it a valuable tool for industries characterized by dynamic and unpredictable work environments. By implementing the Kanban system, our organization experienced a notable transformation in how work was managed. The emphasis on visualizing workflow not only enhanced our ability to manage tasks effectively but also encouraged a culture of continuous improvement. The visual board became a focal point for team discussions, providing a platform for collaborative problem-solving and innovation. Furthermore, the pull system inherent in Kanban naturally aligns with lean principles by reducing the likelihood of overproduction and unnecessary inventory. This not only conserves resources but also helps maintain a more efficient and streamlined workflow. As a result, the Kanban system emerged as an invaluable tool in our lean toolkit, contributing significantly to our journey towards operational excellence and continuous improvement. Conclusion. As we wrap up, it's clear that lean tools play a crucial role in waste reduction, ultimately leading to more efficient and productive processes. Whether it's implementing 5S, utilizing value stream mapping, or adopting the Kanban system, organizations can find the right tools to optimize their operations. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of lean tools for waste reduction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.